Hello, today we're doing another recipe. This one's a pretty simple one. It's just cream of mushroom soup with chicken and veggies mixed in. So usually I just got one package of chicken from Smith's. Usually that's enough for us in the house. 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Follow the instructions. Usually it's 1 can and then 1 cup of water per can you use, and then frozen veggies. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Kind of open it. There's no specific shape, you just kind of cut it into just smaller pieces. So generally some like this small is fine, but it's whatever size you guys want. So now we just season it however. I just use salt, some light pepper. I'm gonna use white peppercorns for this one. White peppercorns. Add some garlic salt. I'm gonna put some paprika. All right, so I'm gonna put oil on here so it just doesn't stick. Just a little bit. I know normally you're supposed to let the pan heat, but it's fine. All right, put it on high, and then when it starts sizzling, I'll lower it down a little bit. So you just kind of want to brown it a little bit, because you're gonna when it's cooked on the outside, I'm gonna put in the soup to cook within the soup a little more. All right, so I'm gonna get a bowl to get the chicken so I can drain out some of the liquid, because I want some of it in the actual dish. Yeah, so I was gonna get the chicken, put it into this. I'm gonna take out some of the liquid right after. I want to keep some of it to have some of the flavoring, but we don't need to have all of it. We don't want it to be drowning all that like chicken oil. Right. It's hot, so I have to get some oven mitts. Okay, there's some oil in here, or some of it's flavored in here, so I'm gonna add the the cream of mushroom soup. So you just kind of pour it in. So usually the can calls for every can of cream of mushroom, you add the same amount of water for each can. So I'm gonna do 2 full cans of water from both of them. Try to get that extra soup that's in both, if possible, of course. All right, it's poured. Now he's gotta wait for it to kind of start boiling. It kind of doesn't look good right now, so gotta wait it out a little bit. All right, these two want to eat. It is around their dinner time, so I'm gonna go feed these two. Kobe, I'm gonna feed you, okay? You guys are hungry, huh? And there you go, they're eating. All right, so I did pour the chicken in. It's been about like 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the frozen mixed veggies. I don't have like measurements for this one. This is more like how much I want to put. So I kind of eyeball it a little bit. So it looks like I used about half this package, so you could add more or less to your liking, but I like a lot of this inside. Okay, I'm gonna cover it a little bit. It's pretty much almost done. Once the veggies are done, this is done. Okay, pretty much done. That's the finished product. We just usually eat it poured over rice. It's pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.